Marcia. I'm the general manager here at Ram Clutches, and our company and our brand has been around since 1971. The company was started in Canton, Ohio, inside of my grandfather's automotive rebuilding business. My dad had some ideas to take some agricultural clutch products that we were doing some clutch rebuilding with, and had interest from local racers in building some more stronger, more durable racing clutches. And so we started out with a paddle clutch disc, and it was called the Ram Metallic 3 and 6 paddle clutch disc, which is kind of the platform that the company kind of launched on in the early 1970s. Then the company kind of grew from there, and into the early 80s, my parents decided that it might be a good idea to get into a little bit nicer climate, so we relocated to Columbia, South Carolina, to the facility we're at now, where we've been here since the summer of 1983. Here at Ram in the shop, we do manufacturing and distribution. We run 9 CNC machining centers. We have 2 Blanchard grinders that pretty much run full time. We're machining everything from flywheels to hydraulic bearings to all different clutch components. We deal with a lot of aluminum, steel, titanium materials on a daily basis. And then on the distribution side, we have some more like street level entry clutches that we're a distributor for as well. Our company has a long history in racing, going back to the 1970s. The funny car class and the fuel classes were kind of very, very popular, as they still are today, in NHRA drag racing. My father got involved with a lot of the fuel teams, John Perdome, Tom McEwen, through that era, and then even some pro stock teams and people that have worked through the industry over the years, like Scott Shafroff was an integral part of some of our early products. So we really started with people like that in the 70s, but it kind of grew, and as we moved to South Carolina, the top sportsman pro modified drag racing class really kind of was coming to a forefront, where it became a professional class in 1990, and we pretty much became like the exclusive clutch supplier to almost every pro modified team as that class launched into the early 90s. And then in the mid 90s, we got very involved in Mountain Motor Pro Stock, which is kind of our bread and butter product here for racing right now. We've been thoroughly entrenched in them since the mid 1990s, so right around 30 years. Pretty much every Mountain Motor Pro Stock champion since that time has used a Ram clutch, and even our business development director, Matt Giagrande, competes in a Mountain Motor Pro Stock today for Enoch Love. Our company vision is what we're trying to do, is we're trying to build a long-term sustainable company that's going to provide performance products for both the street and high-performance racing market well into the future. We're very involved, like I said, in Mountain Motor Pro Stock and a lot of the stick shift drag racing classes, and then more so in the last few years, the drag and drive market has been rapidly growing, and we're heavily entrenched in that. And then on the street market, the street dual disc clutches have kind of come to the forefront over the last 10 years, and our goal is to be the leader in that category as well. But besides providing quality products to our customers, we want to give our employees an opportunity to grow and build a career here at Ram. So we're very family oriented and very focused on their development as well as our customer success. If you want to engage with us, we have several ways you can reach us. You can reach us through our website at ramclutches.com. We've got several areas to engage us through tech submission forms or just a direct contact with the company. You can also reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram as well. We also have a TikTok channel you can look us up on also.